welcome back to my channel. So I know the video is spring cleaning and it's snowing outside in this video, but trust me, that was like the last snow of the season. It hasn't snowed since then. Now I'm starting with blinds because I hate doing blinds the most, and I started doing it in the traditional way, but trust me, ain't nobody got the time for that. So what I did was I just closed all the blinds, and then I just took a rag and I went from like top to bottom, and then I went horizontal, so that actually helped to get the dust off. And then if there was any stains, I just spot cleaned them. And then again, you want to reverse the blinds and then close them again, then do the same way, just go horizontal and then go from down to up this time. And trust me, your blinds will be done in about like 3 or 5 minutes. So if you're lazy like me, try it this way and clean your blinds and see how that goes. Here I'm just putting away any colorful spoons or utensils I have on the countertop. I'm trying to go for a more black and silver theme for the countertops, just to have a more cohesive look. Now for the kitchen, I got these sponges from the Dollar Tree, and then the best part about these ones are they actually have some sort of formula in it. So all you have to do is just wet the sponge and start scrubbing the surface that you want to clean. I actually added a little bit of bleach too, just because I wanted the stuff to be a little bit shiny, but if you want, you can just skip the step altogether. So just wet the sponge and start scrubbing.
Give me a feeling, if you believe in me, hold me and let me in. If you are ready, I'm gonna reach you. I've got a feeling you're gonna reach.
Now I'm just using a sponge to wipe off the extra product and also like the gunk that came out while we were cleaning the stuff. So I'm just using a sponge here which I got from the Dollar Tree. They were 2 for 1, I believe. Now once I'm done with that, I'm using my vinegar and water mixture. It's 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water, and a little bit of orange essential oil, just to disinfect the area, because this is where we actually cook. Since this is quick spring cleaning, I'm just vacuuming the drapes. Now if you think your drapes are dirtier, you might want to give them a wash and iron them. For me, vacuuming was fine. And for the windows, I'm using the Method Glass Plus Surface Cleaner. This product actually works, you guys. I mean, it leaves no streaks, and if you can, try and clean the windows from the outside too. It just gives a much more cleaner effect. Now if you can, try and do a quick closet decluttering also. I had a few pieces I wanted to get rid of. I mean, I don't even know why I bought this blue and white checks thing. It was cute a while ago, but now it's just like, it's not doing any good for me. And also just try and vacuum underneath the bed, just to add those extra touches, and clean your bedding if you need to. Mine was already done like a day or 2 before, so I was good on that. And now moving on to the bathroom, like now it's a good time to throw out your toothbrushes which you haven't changed for maybe like 4 or 5 months maybe. And then now I'm just doing like the underneath the sink part, because this is something I don't really do very often.
If you believe in love, how will I feel it? If you believe in me, how will you let me in? If you are ready, how do I reach you? I'm thinking about us, you're thinking about it too.
A quick hack to hang your gloves would be to take a command hook. You can stick that on either side of the cabinet doors. Once you're done sticking it, you can take a paper clip, just clip your gloves in together, and then hang it on top of your command hook. It's as simple as that. It just keeps your gloves out of the way, and you can use this in your kitchen too. I have it in my kitchen for my apron. our cleaning spree, we might as well do the baseboards. Now a quick hack for this is to use dryer sheets. Again, I got mine from the Dollar Tree. You can just take the dryer sheet and start rubbing your baseboards, and all the dust and debris will just fall right off. It's really quick and really simple. Just give it a try, and once you're done scrubbing it, just vacuum the floor. Now with cleaning almost done, it was time to bring in some fresh new decor into the house just to add some color back. So I bought this throw blanket from Home Goods. I love the fabric and I definitely love the tassels at the bottom. It gives a very cozy and a comfy look to the couch. And then instead of buying decor pillows which go for about $20-$25, I bought these cushion covers off of Amazon. They were a set of 4. I linked them down below. Good quality and good price. And then of course I did bring in some plants, which for me is a must do for spring. I got them from IKEA and Home Depot. Definitely check those places out. They have really good plants and they're very budget friendly. And that's it for this video, guys. I have more budget friendly, organizational, cleaning, makeup and skincare hacks for you guys. So I would love for you to subscribe and stay connected. Take care.